So you see the line, the red right there. So it's more concentrated here and it's decreasing.
Yes.
So it tells you is that when you compare that to this color, it tells you that the hypo is producing something in the biochemical pathway that compensates for the mutated protogeosin precursor in 933.
Okay.
And I forget whether it's MAP or MCP or MCB or whatever, but that's in Appendix B. It tells you 933 produces this and WCF produces that.
Yeah.
I forget which it is. But whichever it is, whatever this thing is not able to produce, this one's producing it. So it's this one is mutated someplace else than this one. Okay? So that's the hypo. The interesting thing is the hypo is also producing a little bit down here. Okay, so and if we incubated this longer, it'd probably show up. So your hypo is feeding both WCF and 933. Okay, your hyper is feeding 933 because you can see the line there, but your hypo is not, or your hyper rather, is not feeding WCF. Okay, so the hyper is feeding both of these. Okay, the hypo is only feeding 933. And so when you look at Appendix A, you'll see the B1, figure B1 and figure B2 or whatever it is, and it shows you these are the two precursors. This is what protogeosin looks like, and these are the two precursors to it. And one of them is produced by 933 and one of them produced by WCF, and I forget which is which.
Okay,
but what you know is that both the hyper and the hypo is not only feeding 933, and in this case WCF, it's doing it not by aerosoling the product, it's diffusing. Because if it was aerosoling, it would show up randomly.
I see what you're saying.
Okay? Nice. Very cool.
The others are just...
And these are just,
okay.
yeah, we didn't expect anything.